Hey there. Planning to paddle in the canoe here, pack up there, wrapped up in bags, watertight, down the White River from Mom's house, which is right back there, down past Beaver, going up into Cedar Creek. Gonna stash the canoe and hike up to Sugar Camp Lookout Tower in Missouri in the Mark Twain National Forest. I think this ought to be a good one. Gonna do a little bushwhacking, a little trail hiking, or rather forestry road hiking. Yeah, so see how it goes. The river is extremely flooded at the moment. As you can see, I am outside of where the water usually is, sitting out there. I'm up in the trees, paddling through the trees. It looked really cool in here, so I came. Anyways, here we go. So this little stretch right here, coming from the main river out there, little stretch of woods. There's the main bank over there. This is typically an island. Now is a wetland jungle of sorts. Pretty cool. Okay. I found the cows. Beating the heat. Over there chilling. Sitting up in the water. Oh, there's a bunch of little ones. Little cows. They doing what I might do here in a little while. Anyways. Okay, coming up on Beaver, Arkansas, we have right over here the bluffs that the kiddies like to jump off of. Back here in this area, goes back that way, it's the mouth of Butler Creek and Butler Hollow. It's supposed to be a really beautiful area. And over there is the Beaver Bridge with a car going across it. It's a single lane wooden bridge with suspension cables, and it appears that I will be able to just make it under. So, on to the bridge. Here we go. Going under the Beaver Bridge. It's quite low. Stand up and touch it. On the Beaver Bridge. There's a car coming across. Oh, it's right over me. Crazy. It's nuts. It's crazy and nuts. It's crazy nuts. So this is the riverfront of the town of Beaver. There's used to be a little store there. Nice cliff running there. There's houses along it. Up there's like some palace, castle kind of thing. And that all is Holiday Island. And that is Beaver. And there is the bridge we just went on. Around the bend. It's my destination. Onward. Let's go. Made it to the Cedar Creek area. I think back there is Slick Rock Hollow. Difficult to tell because the water's so high. We're supposed to be in a creek right now, and as you see, it's still part of the lake. Going up through there, see what else I can find. I believe I've reached the end of the road. Got obviously huge rocks right there in front of me. And the creek bed, I can see it up ahead. It's right up there. So, I'm out of water. About to find a place, port my boat, hide it somewhere, and set off in the woods. Hey. Okay, so stash the boat. There's the exit. This hill behind me. Go see what's on top of it. And then try to find camp, figure out where I am, and plan from there. So here we go. I believe I just found Slick Rock Creek. A little creek running through the woods. Road goes off that way. Came from back that way. Guess what else I found? Water! We got a water source, y'all. Getting close to getting dark. You know, I've been styling in the woods. Hats on backwards. What's up? Figured I'd show you camp before it gets dark. Here we got a hammock, bug net. I got my tarp ridge line set up. I don't have my tarp on it yet. There we go. So, current situation is I don't know where I am. Hey, I know what direction everything is in, but I don't know where I am. So, decided to set camp, get a full belly, get some sleep, figure it out tomorrow. If I can't figure it out, I'll just go back home. Not a big deal. I ain't worried about it. Okay then. Morning. Broke camp. Had breakfast. Good breakfast. Cream of wheat with blueberry apple cider mix mixed with it. It was damn good. Real good. Figured out where I was on the map. Basically have to head northwest of here, and eventually I will reach the top of this holler, and I will reach the forestry road at that point. and then I will take Forestry Road all the way to Sugar Camp Lookout Tower. Hopefully I can climb it. I'd really like to climb it. But, okay, here we go. It's running a bit dry this morning. So, on my hike, got me some little puddles. It's actually moving just a little bit, a couple of little spots trickling. There's another good one down there that I used. Filled up, got me some water, chugged the bottle, refilled, ready to go. Just found this barbed wire fence here, real old, it's all busted up. A couple of posts down that way. I first thought this was the Arkansas-Missouri border, this being Arkansas, that being Missouri. But it appears on my map this is actually the boundary for the National Forest. So I'm actually in Missouri, here, right here, Missouri. And that is the Mark Twain National Forest. That is Slick Rock Hollow. I'm headed yonder to get to the Forestry Road, which heads north to Sugar Camp Tower. Woo! Okay, look what we found. Hey! Yeah. Forestry Road. In fact, when I topped the hill, mountain, I found this guy laying on the ground. So I propped him up on the tree. In fact, that way is south to Arkansas. And hopefully that's going to take me all the way to Sugar Camp Lookout Tower. And hopefully, like I said before, I can climb it. Don't you just love a nice mix of beauty and tragedy? Back to the bushes. Well, I reckon typical with summer hikes in the south, some people call it the south, Missouri. You see him? You see him? There he was. They're all over me. Gnats. They're tearing me up. So, got the bug net on. Hate the bug net. It's alright. Because I come across pretty little fields and stuff like that. Hey, check this out. Just noticed that. Dead end. So, anyways, on we go. A little bit fired up right now. Hiked all the way up. I can't be more than 500 yards from the tower. Sugar Camp Lookout Tower. My destination for this trip. I called the Forestry Commission. I asked them if I could use these roads to get to the tower. And the girl told me yes. I said absolutely. Look what I just came across. That's not cool. That is no trespassing. And this Well, that's the road that I'm supposed to take to get to the tower. Gnats are still freaking biting, and I've got somebody calling the Forestry Commission right now to find out about whether or not I can actually hike through this section. If not, cut it short. I'll hike down to Eureka Springs, fill up water, probably eat lunch, go find camp, or maybe paddle back to Beaver. Not quite sure. But anyways, that's how it works, I guess. See ya. Well, called the Forestry Commission, found out it is private property, but they told me as long as I stay on the road, I'm okay. So I came up, and I found the tower. And look, no steps. Can't climb the tower. It's all fenced off, locked up. Doesn't even, well, I can't tell, but it doesn't even have a floor or a roof. Both of them have collapsed. It's unfortunate, but hey, what can you do? Also found a picnic table. So I think I may have some lunch. Hey! Well, a little nut butter for lunch. Anybody like nut butter? Nut butter. Got some nice tortillas and some nut butter. It's really good. Eureka Springs there behind me, over my left shoulder. Dry as a bone. Hey! I'm walking Eureka Creek, trying to find water. As you see, it seems like all the holes are dry, but I need some water. Keep looking. Well, it's almost 3 o'clock. Hiked for a little while without water, and it's hot. It's really hot, and it feels really dry. It's not like hiking down in Mississippi. I know there's humidity, but compared to down there, it just feels dry. It feels like my mouth is drying out faster and I want more water. I finally found some water over there under all that debris. Good opportunity for testing out my Sawyer Mini. The first day I've used it, I used it at the house just to get a feel for it. Simple. So hopefully stomach will stay in check and all that'll be good. I think I got probably a mile and a half, maybe 2 miles back out to Cedar Creek. I'm gonna try and hit Cedar Creek and head down and find the boat and probably climb up from the boat a little ways and set a camp and head out tomorrow. So far it's been good. Eureka Springs, obviously no water, couldn't climb the tower, both of those bummers, but real pretty land. I think I disturbed the coyotes a little while ago. They started barking at me. It wasn't too cool. So one ran by probably, I don't know, 20 yards from me. So I'm gonna try and get out of their area. Having a little snack, filling up with some water. Gonna hit the trail soon. Hello again. Doing some bushwhacking, and I'm coming across really sweet rock formations. This whole cliffside is lined with them. Only downfall of these is I gotta go up there. That's okay. Hike around the edge. See if I can find something up top. I like this one. It's cool. Okay. Sweet rock formations, just like a little split. Tables off up there. I'm headed down towards Hoddle Branch. Pretty cool. Little split in the rocks there. Cool stuff. Real cool stuff. Check this field out. It's the creek I'm walking down there. Little road comes up here to this beautiful field. Look at this. What a day. Totally can't see them in the camera, but right on that hillside I see at least 4 turkeys. Not quite sure how many there are, but turkeys! So here it is. Made it back to the boat. Now, here's the situation with making it back to the boat. I did not realize this the other day when I left the boat here and tied it up. However, I just hiked back from upstream. And I'd say 50 yards that way, there is a sign that says Missouri-Arkansas border. It also says private violators will be prosecuted. I'm not much for prosecution, so a little tired of being out here by myself also. So I have no idea what it was, but something just like something just made a ripple in the water. Didn't look like a fish either. It's kind of large. Anyways, I don't really want to stay on private property and get prosecuted. Cold beer would be nice. Hey. So I think I'm gonna paddle on home. The turbines are running. I'll get picked up at Beaver. That way I don't have to paddle upstream too bad. It's been great. It's been awesome. It's been fantastic. There's that hill originally that I had to climb on up and see what was on top of. Missouri, Arkansas, home. Don't really know what this is all about, but this was sitting in the middle of this lake, just like so, the other day when I came through. It's like the tree goes down that way, gnarly root wad, but I guess it's stuck or something. I don't know. I mean, we are in the middle of the lake, so I don't know. See that debris? Moving to the right, slowly moving. That's the river. It's running backwards. It's running backwards. Look at that leaf. It should be going to the left, but it's running backwards.